This is so cool. I'm here in the exhibition tent at TCXpo with Chris from Innovative Solutions Canada. Welcome.
That's right. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so Chris, tell us about the role of Innovative Solutions Canada.
Well, Innovative Solutions Canada is a really cool program. It's a federal government program that supports Canadian small and medium enterprises in their pathway to create new IP, to grow and to hopefully commercialize into the marketplace. So we see ourselves as one of the tools that innovators in Canada might consider on their way to the marketplace.
Okay, we've got over 70, I believe it's 70 innovators here at TCXpo showing off their wares. How impressed are you with the innovation that's coming out of Canada?
Very impressed. I mean, we're fortunate in our program that on a daily basis we're interacting with these firms who apply to the program and who are part of the program, as well as for the federal government departments who interact with these firms through our program. And it's amazing the breadth and depth of the innovative capacity in Canada. We have no shortage of companies who apply to the program and who are trying to do good things in various sectors of the economy, including defense, agriculture, the IT and digital space, cybersecurity. So it's amazing, to see the plethora of technologies that are coming out of Canadian firms from all over the country.
Very impressive indeed. Chris, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to talk to us. Chris from Innovative Solutions Canada. Thank you.
Thanks very much.